Yes sir, rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. This video is gonna be an upgrade on my boy Young Jay 2017 392. We got our setup, we upgrading. All right, we got these BREMBO and these pads here. Change out the caliper pads and the rotors. That's what we got right now. Swapping those out. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that out, man.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Should be a fairly easy job. Direct swap. Let's get it. Yeah, man. So if y'all interested in getting upgrades, mods, whatever it is for your vehicle, y'all get at me. Just go ahead and inquire, man. I'll let you know if I can do it or not. That's what we got. All right, so we're gonna basically take off the caliper and the brake line. That's pretty much it to get that off. And then we're gonna take off the rotor and reassemble everything. All right, so we got this bolt here and that one right there. That right there is what's holding the bracket in. Oh, look like you need. Look like we're gonna be needing the lower ball joint. Alright, those bolts out. Look at that, you can move the whole thing. Move that to the side. Rotor off. Alright, you can see the difference. It's pretty big. It's got a slight lip on it, but should be all right. See how it rides when we get going. Hopefully they're not warped. What I'm gonna do here is go ahead and take off this bolt here that's holding the brake line, and I'm gonna get ready to put the new caliper on. It's gonna leak fluid, so you want to catch it. So before I do that, what I want to do is get this brake situated. These brake pads and inside the caliper, I want to put the new ones in, and they got these pins that holds it in. All right, they hold in like that, so you tap them out and pull this pin out, and then they gonna fall out, and that's both of them. All right, I'm gonna do that. I'm doing this with one hand. It's a little easier with both. See how that just comes out? Boom. And you do the other one the same way and reinstall the same way. If you don't, you'll be scraping and scrubbing. Alright, now put the new ones in. Alright, get your grease. Make sure you lubricate these back side of the pads so that metal and metal don't go together and start squeaking. Alright, both of them. Brand new hardware. Alright, and just like that, those new brake pads are installed. New hardware. Go ahead and add this new caliper to this line here. Go ahead and take that off. Alright, we got them in position. Got the line there. And you just install it that way. Go ahead and put that rotor on. Big difference. That's that upgrade. Oh, yes sir. I like that. Looking a lot better. And he said he's gonna paint these calipers next. I think he's gonna go with a purple. He got a crazy color scheme coming. Yes sir. Alright, so we're gonna jump on the passenger side. And after this is complete, we have to bleed these calipers to make sure fluid is flowing through and build the pressure up and get them right, because you don't want the brakes going to the floor. Alright, I got that passenger side on. Went ahead and threw it together. Now I need to bleed the brake system. So the front calipers need to be bled. You got 2 bleeder valves here. Gotta make sure you do both of them. Alright, man, you know what to do, man. If you're liking the content, man, give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Y'all hit that notification bell. Till next video. Pull up King.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.